Well, welcome back to Hometown Custom PC. You can see right here we're installing a USB LAN driver and utility. It means you can use cell phone, home Wi-Fi, and all that. So we are going to click on this. Tell it to go on and do its install. And away we go. Currently installing the drivers right now on for the wireless base. Now, wireless base I happen to like quite a bit for the computer because you can link your cell phones up if you have unlimited hotspot on your cell phones. Just make sure you have unlimited plan for hotspot and set it up. Currently, right now, it's installing the wireless drive. This gives you capable of, locking your thing down secure with the passwords. And just analyzed it. And it's putting it on right now. So as you can watch the video, while I pause to be quiet for a few minutes, you can see what it's doing. And yes, we do want to restart after doing that. And it's going through its boot up for the system. Now Windows is coming up. It's still doing some work. There, it's up. Hit space bar, put code in 1234. Oops. Put password in. And it's up. Go back to the desktop, click on the utilities, and it shows you the drivers, available networks, scanning for available networks. Well, you can see that's Hometown Custom PC, that's us. So we will link on to that. But I can't let you see our password, so hang on a minute while I turn this. And there you go. Now we are on, connected. We are running speeds at 72 BPSs. TX, transmit, receive, 72 Mbps's. We're on through gateway router. Alright, well, let's go from there. Now we'll go back to that. Control panel. Systems. And now we will activate. So it's now activated. We're going to take a short break and start on doing some stuff on this and go from there. We're currently go back to our home screen. Windows is active, so it's fully registered. Now we will go change the background. See what they have on us for backgrounds. We'll go with that. You currently see the change now. Better than that yellow picture. Alright, we're going to take a short break, and then we will be back again for the video. Thank you again for watching Hometown Custom PC.